This graph shows the relation between how countries develop over time and its effect on the suicide rate. The general trend of these countries is to have an increase in the suicide rate as the country develops further. A place like Mauritius experiences many spikes in the suicide rate. In Mauritius, we see that it experiences constant rises and falls in their suicide rate, but as a general observation, they still follow the trend.
Not all countries follow a general trend. As an example, let's look at Japan. As Japan becomes more developed, they experience a decrease in their suicide rate. As technology gets better, Japan and other Asian countries are used for their cheap labor to make parts. Poor conditions in their workplace cause an increase in the suicide rate. An interesting observation that was made is that the US has a gradually increasing suicide rate, but has a significant decrease starting in 1996. The US imports a lot of products from these Asian countries. Looking at the US and Japan together, the US is receiving this technology, which improves their standard of living, and suicide rate decreases. As Japan is being forced to work more, this causes an increase in suicide rate.
As countries develop more, only some will benefit, but as these countries become more attuned to this lifestyle, they will be able to aid or help others cope as their country advances.